Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. Thanks for supporting us and do subscribe our channel. In our today's video, we are going to show you some rebar welding projects for beginner and some craft ideas with rebar that will help you to reduce your waste and turn up your waste in a beautiful article and decoration pieces. Welding rebar is an essential skill for anyone interested in crafting and designing. It involves joining steel bars to create a structure that can withstand the rigors of the crafting. Rebar welding project can be a great way for a beginner to learn this skill while also creating something useful and practical. In this video, we will discuss some rebar welding projects that beginner can undertake to develop their welding skill. A welded rebar trestles is a great beginner project that is both functional and visually appealing. The trellis can be used to support climbing plants such as tomatoes, cucumber, and the vegetable garden. The project requires only a few materials including rebar, welding wire, and the welding machine. To begin, cut the rebar into 4 equal lengths using a hacksaw or an angular grinder. As you all know that rebar welding is a fascinating and the fun skill can be used to create a wide variety of unique and interesting decorating project and the craft. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced welder, rebar welding projects are a great way to hone your skills and create a beautiful and functional pieces for your home or your garden. In this video, we will explore some of the best rebar welding projects and craft for beginners, along with the tips and tricks for getting started and creating stunning pieces. Before we started, you have to know about what is rebar welding. Rebar welding involves in the process of joining two or more pieces of steel reinforcement bar together using a welding machine. Rebar is commonly used to enforce concrete structures such as building, bridges, and the highway, but it can also be used to a wide range of decoration and functional purposes. Rebar is a versatile material that is both strong and durable, making it ideal for a wide range of application. It can be cut, bent, and shaped into a variety of forms, and when combined with the skill of welding, it can be used to create beautiful and a unique decorative piece. Rebar welding projects for beginner. You can also create a beautiful wine rack in another simple project that is created using rebar welding. It is a great way to show off. It is a great way to show off your wine collection and add a decorative touch to your home. To create a wine rack, you will need several pieces of rebar, a welding machine, and a pair of the pliers. Rebar welding can be a great technique for creating unique decor projects and the craft. Here are some potential benefits. First one is durability. Rebar is known for its strength and the durability, making it an excellent material for projects that will be exposed to the element such as outdoor sculptures and furnitures. Rebar can be bent and shaped into a wide variety of forms, making it a versatile material for creating unique and complex designs. Rebar is a variety inexpensive compared to the other metal, making it a cost-effective choice for a do-it-by-yourself project in the craft. Rebar is a made for Rebar is made for relatively expensive compared to the other metal. Rebar is made for recycled steel, making it an eco-friendly and reduce your carbon footprints and choice for those who are conscious about their environmental impact. Rebar welding can create a unique industrial look that add a touch of rustic charm to your decor. This can be particularly appealing for those who enjoy the look of free. Start a welding project can be rewarding and a creative endeavor. However, it's important to prioritize safety and develop your skill gradually. Here are step-by-step guide to how to get started with welding project along with some project ideas and the safety precautions. Before you start welding, it's crucial to understand the basic of welding techniques, equipments, and the safety measures. Consider making a welding class at a local community college or vocational school, or you find many online resources and the tutorials. Acquire the necessary equipment. To start welding, you will need to following these equipments. Choose the appropriate type of welding machine for a welding project such as MIG, TIG, or stick welding. Protect your eyes and faces from ARC radiation with a welding helmet. Invest in high quality welding gloves to protect your hand from burn and the sparks. Wear a flame resistant jacket, apron, or a shield your body from a spark and the heat. In addition to a helmet, wear welding goggles for additional eye protection. Use these tools to hold your workspaces surely in the places. You may need a grinder for cleaning and preparing your materials, as well as ear protection, safety shoes, and the respiratory for additional safety. Depending on your chosen project, you will need appropriate material like metal stock, electrodes, filler rods, and any specialized tools such as wire, brushes, chipping hammer, and the measuring devices. Here are some beginner-friendly welding projects. Start with a basic flat plate to participate in your welding deeds and the techniques. Build a cart to store and transport your welding equipment. Create sculpture and the decorative pieces from metal. Design a rack or organize display your tools. Construct a backyard fire pit for a gathering. Design and fabricate brackets for shelving and the projects. Safety is a parameter when you start working with welding equipment. Following these safety precautions: wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE). This includes a welding helmet, gloves, jacket, goggles, and the other necessary gears. Welding produces fume and the gases that can be harmful if inhaled. Use exhaust fan or work outdoor if possible. Regularly check your welding machine and safety gears for any defect or the damage. Be prepared to quickly extinguish any fires that may occur. Clean your work area of any flammable substance. Understand the properties of the metal you are welding, as different metal require different techniques. Maintain steady and hand to proper welding angles to achieve strong and the clean welding. In case of minor injuries, having a basic first aid kit nearby. Remember that welding can be dangerous if it's not done properly, so take a time to learn and always prioritize safety. As you gain experience, you can tackle more complex and the creative welding projects in a better way. Understand the potential hazard associated with welding, such as electrical shocks, ERC radiation, burn, and the toxic fume. Familiarize yourself with the safety